Welcome back to the channel. It's another beautiful day here at Country Chevrolet, and you know what time it is. Today I have a gorgeous North Sky Blue Metallic 2021 Chevy Silverado 1500 LT. It's a Z71, has a 5.3 liter V8, an 8-speed automatic transmission. It has 37,500 original miles, so you still have the remaining factory warranty, which is always nice. Comes out here and you have this black cloth interior, power locks and windows, power mirrors. You might have cloth seats, but they are heated. You have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, you have a backup camera, OnStar, Sirius XM, trailering app, which helps you do checks for your lights and everything. Tells you if your lights are out. Dual climate control, tailgate down button, the auto start and stop at stoplights, stop signs. A lot of people don't like it, but you can turn it off. This can fit 6 people. You just lift this up for a third person in the front. You have a heated steering wheel, Bluetooth, cruise control. I apologize. This is 32,645 miles. My information is incorrect. You still have a little bit more of the remaining factory warranty. You do have all-weather floor mats, front and back. Come around here, you have a spray and bed liner. Like I said, there's a button inside and on the remote. You have a hands-free tailgate. It is a light tailgate, so it's easy to put up. This has remote start. Look, this thing will not last long, I promise you. It is a great truck. It is a one owner, well taken care of. It's gonna go fast. So my number's down in the description. So there's a website and the social media links. Also at the end of the video, so stick around for that for ways to contact me. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.